In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can turn your computer to a money-making machine. So if you've been looking for ways to make money online from the comfort of your home or any part of the world that you're in, then this video is for you because I'm going to be showing you how you can turn your computer to a crypto mining machine. It's easy to do, it's free to do, you're not going to be investing any money and you're going to be making a whole lot of money. Hopefully, by the end of the video, you're going to find out how you can use your computer to make money comfortably from the comfort of your home. While you do other things, you're going to be making money on the side without having to do anything other than just installing the software, which is going to take about just 2 minutes. So if this is something that you're interested in, please come closer and let's dive in. Now, the first thing we need to do is to understand what this platform is all about and how it's going to help us and how we can use it to make money from the comfort of our home. Now, first thing first, this platform is called Tari Universe. Now, what is Tari Universe, you might ask? Now, Tari Universe is a user-friendly mining application that allows individuals like you and I to use our computer to mine cryptocurrency using the existing computer that we have. Right now, I'm currently mining and I'm using the same computer to do this video, and you can do the same thing too. All you have to do is to install the software and you can start mining in 2 minutes. I'm going to be showing you how to install that and everything that you need to do to get started. But first thing first, you need to understand that this Tari Universe is backed by a lot of blockchain companies. Now, this is cool and amazing at the same time because all we have to do is to just use our computer to mine this cryptocurrency, and we're most likely going to be making a lot of money at the end of the day. And the truth here is, if you were to do the same thing for Bitcoin, you'll be needing a lot of machines that will fill up this office, in fact the entire building, before you can mine a fraction of Bitcoin, which takes a lot of energy, a lot of power, a lot of resources and all that before you can set it up. But with Tari Universe, all you need to do is to set up the software on your computer, and installing this software is quite very easy. All you have to do is to come over to their website. I'm going to leave the link in the description, so you just follow the link to download this software and you're good to go. So now all you have to do is to click on download Tari Universe. Now, while it's downloading, before I go ahead and show you how to set it up, I need you to know that the worst case scenario for this, if at the end of the day it doesn't work out the way we expect, is that you're not going to be losing anything, because running this Tari Universe on your computer doesn't stop you from working. It doesn't stop you from using the computer. In fact, it uses the idle CPU on your computer to work, so it's not stopping you from doing anything. After all, you're working with your computer probably from morning till evening or from morning till night, so you might as well mine. I mean, we have absolutely nothing to lose at the end of the day, and the best case scenario is that we are going to be onto something very big when they fully launch, because this is exactly how people that got into Bitcoin, Ethereum and all the rest of the big cryptocurrency, this is how people got in early and they were able to make a whole lot of money. So the best way to make money from the cryptocurrency industry is to get in first. So now we have the opportunity, a golden opportunity at that, and it's not going to be costing us anything. It's totally free to use. You don't have to buy anything, you don't have to buy any token, you don't have to invest your time, you don't have to constantly tap, you don't have to do nothing. All you have to do is to just keep your computer running while the software is opened and mining, and you're going to be making money. Now, how cool is this? So now the software has fully downloaded and we're going to go ahead and install it. And to do that, I'm installing it on my Windows. You can install it on your MacBook or Linux. Any computer that you use is totally fine. So right now you can see all I have to do is just click on install. Tari Universe security is top notch. It's 100% secure. As you can see, I've fully installed the software. It didn't even take up to 2 seconds, right? So now I'm just going to go ahead and click on launch. So now you can see that it's done installing and the mining has started. Though it's still initializing, as you can see, it's still calculating my CPU power, but you can see that it's currently mining already. You don't need to do anything. All you need to do is to just simply minimize this and then go ahead and continue the work that you do with your computer. Like me, I'm making this video, I'm mining while I'm making this video, and it's running concurrently without interrupting my computer. Now, how cool is this? It's super amazing. And even if you're not using your computer, you can just leave it on and have a music play in the background. Maybe reduce the sound if you don't want it to interfere with, you know, the ambience of your house or wherever you are, and then you can leave it on and do whatever you're doing while it's currently mining, pending when you come back to your computer and continue. And this thing doesn't consume anything. I mean, you're going to use your computer anyway, and then you're not buying anything, you're not buying any token, you're not investing any dime, and then you're most likely going to be stumbling upon something huge. And that is why I'm doing it. I mean, I want to be a billionaire. really soon. So if you want to be one as well, go ahead and use the link in the description to download the software and start mining immediately. And from time to time, I'll keep updating you on new cryptocurrency projects so you can make this money from the comfort of your home. And while we wait for those updates to come around, here's the next video that YouTube recommends that you watch on this channel. So go ahead and watch it and thank me later. See you on the other side. Ciao.